What's up guys, my name is Wayforward. Welcome to my third tutorial on Visual Basic, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about match operators and getting input from user. Probably I might just shift that to the next tutorial, so let's get started. Match operator, we have different type of match operator. We have the addition, the multiplication, the division, and the subtraction. You get that? So addition, we know addition is just adding two numbers together, 1 plus 1, that give us 2. So this is a simple example of a addition operator. So let's do something here like a plus b, and I believe you all understood this. I declared a as an integer and a is 5, and then I declared b as an integer also. So this is where I had to add the two together, so it's gonna print out the summation of the two. So let's run this program and see the output. You can see we have 12. That's 5 plus 7, that's 12. So let's say we want to put the 2 value into a variable, so then we need to declare something else here. That's name c as integer. Then we say c equals a plus b, and then here we print out c. So let's run this program and see. So you can see we still have 12. So depending on the arithmetic operator we want to use, you can decide to use the subtraction sign. So let's run this. You can see we have -2. If we have the division sign, which is a /, and then we run this, then we have 1. And what other do we have again? Since we have something called modulus. So let's run this. I don't seem to get this. Why should this be 5? Let me try 2 and 10. Should be 0. Sorry. So the reason why I was having the error was here it should be 10 divided by 2, and we know the function of the modulus. The modulus returns the remainder of a division. So when we have 10 divided by 2, then the remainder should be 0. You can see that's why we have 0 here. So let's say we have 3 here, on which the remainder should be 1. Let's try and check it. So you can see the remainder is 1. So that's the function of the modulus. That's MOD. It returns the division, the remainder of a division. And always remember, the bigger value must come before the lower value. That's to get the modulus. Not really the bigger number, but you should know the divisor. I don't know how to put it mathematically, but I believe you should get that. The divisor should be under. That's what is going to divide it. It's going to be let's say what is going to divide is going to be on the right hand side, and then what will be divided will be on the left hand side, or whichever way. This is what should be divided, and this is what is going to divide. So that's what's up about this. Sorry about the explanation. I've talked about the addition, the multiplication, the subtraction, and the multiplication. Okay, I haven't touched that. That's the asterisk. So let's build and run this and see. So you can see that's give us 30. So depending on how we actually want to do this, we can just modify this. So let's say we want to, let's try something here. Let's say c, let's say a equals to a plus b. So let's see what we're gonna have here. See, there's one thing about programming. Just try to manipulate the operation you have and see what's up. So let's run this and see. So we have 13. So we actually added a plus b together. So you can see, instead of writing c is equals to a plus b, you can just say a equals a plus b, and then c, and then print out a. So you can see we got the addition back. Let's change this to multiplication, whether we're gonna get 30. So you can see we got 30, and there's also a shorter method of writing this. Since a equals to a multiplied by b, then you can use a shorthand method of saying a multiply equals b. I think it's like this. So let's run this. So you can see we still got 30. You can just change this to addition sign, and then we have 13. So you can see that. So let's try to do a simple can we build a calculator now? Okay, so let's talk about getting input from the user, or should I just put that in the next tutorial? Okay, so see you in my next tutorial, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy. Peace.